Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about SQL actual questions which is asked in the Cognizant, and this is the part 2 on the SQL queries. Okay, part 1 I have made already. First you can see this video part 2, after you can watch the part 1 also. Okay, and we will tell you the trick what you have to apply for to write the SQL query, and you have to keep in your mind like you are solving the reasoning questions. Okay, don't think in your mind that you are solving like a technical stuff, then it will be easy to understand in this video the things. Okay, so now let's see. So first of all we'll see the exam pattern. So as you can see in the cluster 1, 2 and 3 we have the two SQL queries which is 35-minute duration will be there. So irrespective of cluster you have to prepare for the SQL queries. Okay, so now let's see. So this is something they will be giving you the question. Here questions they will be giving you, and here they will be giving the schema. Okay, and here if you want to write the query you have to click on this and you have to write the query. If you want to see output you have to click here and you can see the output, and you can see test case whether passed or failed, you can see it here. Okay, so this is I explained in the part 1 how it is worked, okay, in detail, so you can watch the part 1. Okay, now let's see. So this is the 7 steps you have to follow to write the SQL query. Okay, so these are the 7 steps you have to follow to write the SQL query, and I have taken one CTS exam question for the SQL query and I have explained all these 7 steps one by one. Okay, so let's see how you can solve, how you can write the SQL query. Okay, so this is the question 1. This is asked in CTS in recently. Okay, what they have given here, they have given here question, and based on this question they given the schema is nothing but these are the three tables are there. Okay, this is one table, this is second table, this is third table. Okay, and what are these things, these are the column name. Okay, so these are the column name in the each table. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, after that what we have to see, first step we have to follow. That step 1 is check what are the columns required in the output. Okay, you have to read your output should contain two columns in the below mentioned order: train id, train name. So these two columns we required. Okay, so train id we required. Okay, and what we required, train name. So these two columns we required. Okay, fine. After that, step 2, in step 2 what we have to do, we have to use the select keyword and have to use for what are the columns required. Okay, so as you can see here I written the select keyword. Okay, and after what are the columns was required in output, train id and train name. So train id I have written here and train name I have written here. Okay, fine. So what is the td here? So I will explain in the further slides what is the td here. Up to here you understand, I hope. Okay, next slide. What is the step 3? So step 3 is saying those columns belongs to which main table in schema. Okay, so this train id and train name belongs to which table in this schema. In this schema we have to see, in this schema three tables are there, so in which table it belongs, train id and train name. So train id you can see here it is there, and train name it is there here. Okay, so main table, this is our main table then. Okay, so main table, this is our main table. What is the table name? Table name is train. Okay, train details. Okay, and tbl, this is the table name. This is the table name in the pink color, it is showing the table name for each table. Okay, I hope you understand till here step 3. Now we will go for step 4. What is the step 4? Step 4 is saying from keyword we will be using for the which main table required for the that output column. Okay, so first line we have, I have explained already to you, select train id and train name, which is we have to show in the output. After we have to use the from keyword, and after what we have to write, we have to write this main table name. What is the this main table name? Train details tbl. So train details tbl we have written. Okay, up to here it's clear. Next what we have done here, you can see here we have written td. What is the td here? So as you can see this table name is very big. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make it shorter. Okay, so that we can use in the further SQL commands, so that it will be convenient for us. Okay, so what it does, td is representing this table name. Okay, this is we made like a short form for this train details tbl. Okay, understood. So this train id and train name, okay, this column belongs to td table. This train name belongs to td table. What is the td? Td we have mentioned here, train details tbl. I hope you understand till here. So td dot train id belongs to train id belongs to td, train name belongs to td table. What is the td table? Td table is train details tbl. Okay, here you can give any name, pd, gd, anything you can give. It's your up to you. Okay, after if you give here pd or gd, suppose you given pd here, then you have to write here also pd and pd. So pd dot train id, pd dot train name. I hope you understand till step 4. Okay, now let's see the step 5. What is the step 5? Read the question, okay, and find what are the other columns we need. Okay, so we have to read the question. This is our question here. Now what are the other columns we needed for this query that we have to say? So it is saying the train id and name of all trains that have a name starting with the alphabet m. Okay, and go to the station with name Pune. Okay, so what it's saying, train id, we have train id here. Okay, name of all trains, name of all trains will be covered in this column. Okay, that have a name starting with the alphabet m. Okay, so train name which is starting with the m later. Okay, and that go to the station with name Pune. Okay, so this is the new thing we found in the question. Okay, go to the station with name Pune. So we have to check the station name. Station name, what is the station name? Station name is Pune. Okay, so which train is going to Pune, that we have to see. Okay, now this main table we have to see which column represents the train 2. Okay, so as you can see, this is the column name represent that train going. Where is the train going? Okay, which station train is going? So train 2, it's train 2, it's going. Okay, after this is representing to this station id in this table. Okay, understand? So what we required? We required station name. So this station name is in which table it is there? Station name is there in the train station tbl. Okay, so this table we required, this table we required for station name. I hope you understand. So if we require this table, but we are fetching the data from this table, okay, then what we have to do? We have to make it join. Okay, this table and this table we have to make it join. Then we can find station name from this table, and we can find the train name and train name and train id from this table. If we join both table, we can find the train id, train name, and which belongs to station name Pune. So we have to join this table and this table. I hope you understand till here. Okay, so now we'll see step 6. Step 6, what we have to do? As I said you, we have to use the join keyword. Okay, and have to use if other columns are in different table. Okay, so I told you for the Pune we need the station name. So for station name is here in this table. Okay, and train id and train name, train id and train name is there in this table. So we have to join this both table. For that we will be using the join. Okay, join keyword. After that join keyword we are using, which table we are joining with this, which table we are joining? Train station tbl. So train station tbl I have written here. Okay, and I written here short form of this because it's very big name. Okay, so I have written ts. Okay, that represent this table only, short form of this table. I hope you understand till here. After that, what you have to do? You have to see here on is there. So we are joining these two tables. On the what basis we are joining, that we have to clear that. Okay, so on the what basis we are joining? Okay, so as you can see here, some of the column name train from. Train from means from which station train is starting. Train to means which train is going to which station, that is train to. Okay, so what the basis we have to make it join? Okay, I want train to from this table because I want to know what go to station with name Pune. So train 2 will be helping me to get the information where it is train is going. Okay, as you can see, this is the column name. Okay, it's going this is the line, it's going where it's going, it's going to station id. Okay, it's going to station id. So we have to join as that, like train 2. Okay, this is a train 2 and that station id should be equal. Okay, in these two tables, okay, station id and train 2 should be equal, then only we will get the, we will join on the what that basis. Okay, so as you can see here, on keyword we have written, and we have to write train 2 So as you can see, train 2 is the column name here, and station id is the column name in this table. So station id, and we will put equal sign, equal operator here. Okay, TD is representing, what is TD? It is representing train details, TBL. Okay, so train 2 is representing, train 2 is column belongs to TD, and station ID is belongs to TS. What is the TS? TS, as I told you, the short form of the train station table. I hope till here you understand. Okay, if you didn't understand, just go back and watch again. Okay, now let's see step 7. In step 7, what you have to do, you have to use the where keyword for the given condition. What is the condition? Condition is like, we need train id, okay, we need all trains, okay, but the condition is that name should start with the alphabet M. And what is the second condition? This is the first condition. This is the second condition, is go to the station with name Pune. Okay, these two condition we have to fulfill for the query. So what we have to do, we have to use the where keyword. Where keyword we have to use for the condition. So as you can see here, I use the where keyword here. Okay, so where keyword I use, I want train name. Train name should be start with M alphabet. Okay, so here I added train name. Like is a keyword. Okay, so what is the M percentage here? M percentage just shows the whatever the train name will be there, train name will be there, and some cap letters will be there, remaining letters in the train name, that we don't care. Okay, percentage means we don't care, anything should come, anything can come, but the first letter should be M. First letter should be M. That is the meaning of M percentage here. Okay, so that's the meaning of M percentage. Suppose if the question said like name ending with the alphabet M, then what you have to do, you have to make it like percentage M. Here you have to write percentage M if it is and start name ending with the alphabet M. Okay, because I don't care what is the starting letters here in the train name, but the last letter should be the M. So that's the sense, makes sense here. This is the M percentage. Okay, after that, what is the second condition? So this is the first condition. Okay, second condition also we have to add. So to add the second condition, we have to make use the keyword and. Okay, and station name, what is the station name here? Pune. So station name equal to Pune. Station name column belongs to which table? TS table. So we have to write the TS dot station name. Train name is belongs to which table? TD table. So TD dot train name. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is how you have to solve by these 7 steps this SQL queries. Okay, I tried my level best. If you have some query or if you have doubt, just go back and see again this video. You will definitely will understand. Okay, and don't take it like a technical stuff, take it like a logical reasoning or reasoning type of question. We have to follow these 7 steps. Okay, second thing is, we have to join this table and this table. Okay, suppose in the other questions, if we want to join the 3 tables, okay, here we join the 2 tables. Okay, this table and this table we join. If we want to join 3 tables, then what you have to do, you have to make it first 2 joins you can write. Okay, 2 join you can write to join the 3 tables. Here we write 1 join, as you can see here, to join the 2 tables. Okay, if you find 3 tables, okay, that required columns are in the 3 tables, then what you have to do, you have to use the 2 joins. Okay, join table 2 table 3. Okay, and that main table will be table 1. Main table will be table 1, which is we will be writing from table 1. Okay, after that these 2 lines we have to write like join table 2 on the what basis we are joining, and join table 3 on the what basis we are joining. Okay, so that's what you have to do for that. Okay, so I have given here the question. This is the question I have given here. You just try by yourself. Okay, here schema I have given here, and this is the question I have given here. Okay, you try by yourself, and I given here the query also. Relate this query with those 7 steps and try to solve by yourself. Okay, one more question I have given here. So this is the question. Same, the same schema is there, but question is the different here. Okay, so just relate with those 7 steps and try to write this SQL query. Okay, so I hope guys you understand. I tried my level best to explain you by these 7 steps. Okay, if you follow these 7 steps, you will be very close to write the SQL queries. Okay, so Thank you so much for watching this video. In part 1, I have solved some of the question. If you have not seen part 1, just go and see that part 1 also. Okay. And let me know in the comment box if you want such type of videos more, or if you want coding related questions or whatever you want, just mention in the comment. I will try to bring all those stuff in this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.